Radhe Radhe. This time I'm making a different kind of an outfit for Radha Krishna Ji and for Bal Gopal. So I presented this video because maybe you get an idea. So every time we always normally wear heavy work with some kind of lace or maybe some kind of jari work. So I think it's about time to give it a different look. So I painted this on fabric with fabric paint with folk art and craftsman, which I will show you. And I normally decided to do on a peacock style, and I just leave a feather in front of me and try to figure out which colors. So this is from not any YouTube or anything, it's just my idea, and I hope you like it, and I hope you will share it with your friends. And this is how it is. I mean, it's a peacock style, and you can cut it according to the size once it's dry. And once it's dry, the fabric will stay soft, it won't be hardened up. So, and then this is the colors I used. I normally use on folk art, and if you don't get folk art, then I think maybe you get Craft Smart or any colors available in your area. And it's normally royal blue, green, copper, it's yellow, a touch of yellow, and I just normally used blue in there and green in there. So it's up to your choice. Even Priti ji, maybe for Bal Gopal ji बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, उसको तो मुर्पंख बहुत प्रिय है. And this is all Krishna's mercy, because I am not a painter or anything, but my hand is smooth so far, and I'm really happy about Krishna giving me the energy, and without him nothing is possible. So this is the brushes I use, one very thin one and one a little bit thick one. So this is the Ghararo I made yesterday, Radha Krishna dress, and this is the dupatta. So if I cut it in half, it's gonna go one this way and one that way. And this is the morpunk, which I've been having as a sample to select my colors. And this is the two Bal Gopal outfits. The first one is this is how I do the very step one with embroidery and this material which I trace on, and then I start with the painting, and this is the result I get. But still I have the border to do, and my colors I used is white, black, royal blue, stem green like a Christmas green, a copper, and a yellow. And this is orange, blue and red for the border. So sometimes if I think yellow looks nice, I take a yellow too. So this is so far my projects. These are all my colors in folk art and craft smart. These are all my colors. This is how I do it, and I hope you get an idea from this, and you can share it with all your friends. And it's like a new look. In fabric painting, you can paint flowers, butterflies, here and there. You can paint birds, whatever, it's your selection. So this is a new idea. And Bal Gopal ji, you cut it from the center here, and you can put lace even on the border, a very thin lace. And this is how it's going on, and I hope it'll be a good result, because I think Radha Krishna ji wants to wear it. So let me try it in a different new way. And by the way, it's pure cotton material for summer, and it's very lightweight, and once the colors dry, the materials stay soft. See, they stay soft. So I hope you like this idea of mine, and at least something very, very light for Krishna ji. So I wish you can try at home. So Radhe Radhe, everybody, keep well. Hello, Hare Bol, Radhe Radhe. This is the complete version of the Kanha ji outfits, which I started painting on the peacock style. And after this, there will be nothing left to do. It's just to cut it out and sew the choli for the Kanha ji, and that's it. I'll just leave it to dry, and the next day I will sure make it again. And this is the complete Gagra, which I gave it a little bit of a red boost. And this is the colors I used. This is my palette. Well, I think from this you can get an idea is to create your own colors and do the way you feel it's attractive, and Kanha Ji will look nice and Radha Krishna will look nice. Radhe Radhe Hari Bol.